Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using Hostinger but now want to cancel your subscription and even request a refund, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop auto renewals and how to talk to support to get your money back. Super simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First, head over to hostinger.com and log into your account. Click the login button in the top right corner, then enter your credentials. This will take you into your Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. Once inside, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on While Billing. This section contains all of your subscription details. Next, click on Subscriptions. Here, you'll see every active service you currently have with Hostinger. Now, find the subscription you want to cancel. To the right of it, there's a small arrow icon. Click that, and then you'll see the option to disable auto renewal. Select it, confirm your choice, and you're done. This step makes sure Hostinger won't automatically charge you again after your current plan expires. But here's the important part. Disabling auto renewal doesn't automatically give you a refund. If you're within Hostinger's refund policy window, you'll need to reach out directly to their customer support team. You can do this through the live chat option in your account or by opening a support ticket. When you contact them, make sure to provide key details like your account email and the specific plan you want refunded. This will help speed up the process. The support team will review your request, and if you're eligible, they'll process your refund back to your original payment method. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hostinger subscription and learned how to request a refund. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.